Sanibonani, Dumela, Abusheni, and welcome back to African Xhosa ASMR. So, have you ever wondered what your name means in Xhosa? Well, wonder no more, because in today's video I will be translating common or popular names from English to Xhosa, 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 Xhosa. So just sit back, relax, and hopefully you will enjoy watching this video. Without further ado, let's get started. So I can wrote the names down so that I won't forget them. So I will be reading their names from a book. Their first name is, so if your name is Rose, Rose is a popular name for girls. So if your name is Rose, 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 your name Nonjatyambo, 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 Rose, Rose, Rose is Nonjatyambo, Nonjatyambo, Rose, Nonjatyambo. And if your name is Hope, Hope, Hope is a popular name for girls, right? But in Xhosa, it is a popular name for boys. Hope, Hope in Xhosa means Temba, Temba, Temba is hope. Temba, Temba. But what's interesting is that if you still want to use the same name for a girl, you can use the same name, but you need to add N, O in the beginning, or K, A, Z, I at the end. So if you want to name a girl Hope, you call them Notemba, that's a girl, or Tembakazi, Tembakazi, that's Hope for a girl. But if it's a boy, Temba, 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 Temba. So yeah, okay. And then we have gift, 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 gift. Gift can be Sibo. A gift is Isibo. Gift is Sibo. And you can also name them Sibo Sedu. Sibo Sedu means our gift. Sibo just means gift. And then our gift. Sibo Sedu. Our gift. Sibo Sedu. Or a gift can also be Zizibo, Zizibo, which is plural, because a gift is just a gift, right? And then in plural form, Izibo. So if you're naming your child, you can name them Zizibo. But when you name them Zibo, that's a guy. And then if it's a girl, Zibo Gazi or Nosibo. And then you also have a Sibo Zedu. Sibo Zedu can be for a girl or a boy. Sibo Zedu can be a girl or it can be a boy. And Zizibo is normally given to girls. Zizibo, a girl. And you can't say, you can also say Nozibo, 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 Nozibo. That's also a girl for gift. And then we have beauty. Hey, beauty. Beauty. It can be buhle, 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 buhle. Can be a girl or it can be a boy. If you have handsome son, you can call them buhle. Or beauty can be zinhle, 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 zinhle. Zinhle is also for is a girl, and it's a plural form. And we also have entle, entle meaning the beautiful one. Entle, entle, entle. Okay, pretty is very similar to zinhle, so yeah, it can mean pretty, it can mean entle as well, and it can also mean esihle, 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 or nobuhle, nobuhle. These are names given to girls. The only one that applies to a boy that I can think of right now relating to beauty or pretty is buhle, buhle. And then we have happy or happiness, happy or happiness, which is very much similar to joy, right? But let's start with happiness or happy. Happy can mean vuyo, vuyo, happiness, vuyo. But vuyo is a boy's name. Vuyo is a boy, and like it's normally, when I say it's a boy's name, it's a name that's normally given to a boy. For example, Hope. Hope, I would say it's a girl's name because I normally hear girls named Hope, but you know, it doesn't mean when I'm saying it's a boy's name or a girl's name, you can only name a boy or a girl that name. It just means that I've, most of the people with that name, you know, are that gender. Hopefully you understand. So Vuyo is normally given to boys, but that does not mean you cannot find a girl with the name Vuyo. But in most cases, a girl would be called Vuyokazi, 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 or Sinovuyo, 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 or Nwabisa, 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 Nwabisa meaning the one who makes us happy. Yako Nwabisa is making you happy, and a girl would be normally given the name Nwabisa. That's a girl's name. Or it can be given Nokonwaba, Nokonwaba, meaning the happy one, filled with happiness. Nokonwaba, Nokonwaba. Now let's move on to joy. Joy, 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 joy. Joy is Kobani, Kobani, Kobani. Nickname is Toto. Hey Toto, hey Toto, hey Joy, hey Toto. Kobani, Kobani, Kobani. Joy, Kobani. Kobani meaning be joyous, be filled with joy. Kobani. And to have joy is ukutoba in Xhosa. Ukutoba, ukutoba. That means you're filled with joy. Uyakoba, utobile. You're filled with joy. So Kobani, Kobani, Kobani. Kobisa, Kobisa, Kobisa. You can also use Kobisa. Kobisa is also like a girl's name. Kobisa meaning the precious. Xabiso. 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 And a girl. Xatyiswa. Xatyiswa. How can I explain Xatyiswa? Xabiso just means great, precious. Xabiso. Xatyiswa means, it can mean precious, something that's precious, but in a different way. I don't know how to explain it. So Xatyiswa. And then we have patience, 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 patience. Lindiwe, lindiwe, patience. But lindiwe can mean the one we waited for, or something like that. Oh, the one we were waiting for. Yeah. But they were patiently waiting for that person, so lindiwe, like they were waiting. Silindile, I'm waiting. Yeah. And yeah, I don't know. Yeah, let's move on to which other name? Did I skip one? I don't know. Lucky, lucky. A few are named lucky. That means you are Ntlantla, 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 Ntlantla. If it's a girl, no Ntlahla, or no Ntlantla, no Ntlahla, no Ntlantla, Ntlantla, Ntlahla, 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 Untlantla, Untlahla, no Ntlantla, or no Ntlahla. Lucky. So yeah, and lastly, there's Angel, but I've never had anyone being called Ngelosi. Ngelosi, maybe there is someone, but I've never heard of that name being used. But it's very popular English, name for a girl. But I've never had anyone being called Ngelosi. No, no, no. Okay, now let us move on to names that do exist in Xhosa, but not in English, or at least I've never heard of them in English. The first one is Zimtaka. hands were like untied, and there was freedom. So you call them Kululeko, Kululeko, meaning freedom. It's a boy's name. We also have Kaiya, 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 meaning proud, something that you're very proud of. Une Kaiya ngayo, Kaiya, meaning pride. We also have Kawe, 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 meaning the leader. What's the proper word for Kawe? Kawe lama Kawe. Kawe. A warrior, a leader, a hero. Like what do we call that kind of a person? Likawe. Likawe. A hero. I don't know. Kawe. And then we have Sinotolo. Sinotolo, meaning we have peace. Sinotolo. We have peace. We are at peace. Sinotolo. We also have Nomtandazo. Nomtandazo, which is a girl's name, or Dandazo if it's a girl's, meaning prayer, prayer, Dandazo or Nomtandazo. And then we have Mncedisi, Mncedisi, meaning helper. If the child, you believe that it will deliver you from certain things, you can call them Mncedisi, meaning the helper. Mncedisi, the helper. It's a boy's name. If it's a girl, you name them Noncedo, 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 meaning the one who helps us, the one who, helps us, saves us or something like that. Noncedo, to help you and save you. Noncedo or Mncedisi. Nceba, I think this is Nceba. Nceba. Nceba is grace, right? What's Nceba? Oh God, I'm getting confused. We also have Qaqamba, meaning bright, shining star. Like if the child is going to bring light into the family, Qaqamba, and that's a girl's name. Okay, there are so many names out there, but these are the ones that actually came into mind when I was making this video. And also, if you would like me to give you the closer version of your name, you can comment your name down below. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching this video.